of your world is driving crazy. Lighten up while you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy. Well, I'm standing on the corner and Winslow, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. It's a third mile Lord, it's that prairie floor. Slowing down, take a look at me. Come on, baby, don't say maybe. I don't know what sweet love is gonna save me. We may lose, we may win, though we may never be here again. So open up, I'm climbing in. Take it easy, solo. Down the road, trying to loosen my load. Got a little trouble on my mind. Looking for a lover who won't blow my cover. She's so hard to find. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own will get you crazy. Come on, baby. Say me, I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. Gotta take it take it easy. Well, hi there, pluckers. Other Soul Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. Classic song from the Eagles, of course, Take It Easy. This is my single guitar arrangement for this song. I know loads of other people have done lessons on this song, but I've done something that I think is slightly different to a lot of people. I've put some little runs in the verse sections, which obviously played by another guitar, but if you're quick, if you can get the fingering right, you can try and fit them in. Makes the song a little bit more like the original. Okay, and also in my opinion, I've got the chords right. They're not the same chords for the verses all the way through. Okay, there's some changes, subtle changes in the chords sequence in various places of the song. It's not all the same all the way through. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'm got the old Beat Buddy out, which I bought recently. Give it an airing. For those of you that are interested, it's a Beat Buddy Mini 2, and I'm using the Blues 1 style, and the time, the beats per minute is 138 beats per minute. Okay, which is I think fairly close to the original, and it's quite quick. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll be back in a day or so with the breakdown of this version. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you soon.